Hi, I'm Judge Richard Titus of the Circuit Court for Carroll County. As the incumbent or sitting judge, I'm asking for your vote in the upcoming primary election. I'm proud of my reputation for being tough but fair in deciding cases before me. I apply the law as it's written without resorting to creative or strained interpretations. I've got a strong work ethic and make sure that all citizens appearing before me for their day in court are given an impartial, full, and fair hearing. I've got 3 decades of legal experience, including more than 3 years as a judge. As a result, unlike either of my challengers, voters need not speculate on what type of judge I might be if elected, because I've already got a proven track record. That track record has earned me endorsements in the law enforcement community, including Sheriff Jim DeWeese and State's Attorney Brian DeLeonardo. I've also earned the endorsement of both the Carroll County and Maryland State Bar Associations. Those in the legal community who have regular dealings with the court system have shown their trust in me. I'm asking you as a voter to do the same. I've lived in Finksburg with my wife Marlene for almost 30 years, where we raised our 2 children. Our kids both attended Carroll County Public Schools from kindergarten through high school, and upon graduating went on to receive college and graduate degrees. I practiced law with the same small general practice law firm on Main Street in Westminster for almost 25 years. Unlike my 2 opponents, I chose not to earn a living as a criminal defense lawyer. Rather, I focused instead on complex civil litigation and transactional law. I represented almost exclusively Carroll County citizens and businesses, including 3 volunteer fire departments and 2 municipalities. I love this community and take seriously my obligation to look out for everyone's safety and well-being. I've undergone the rigorous application, interview, and vetting process of the trial court's nominating commission twice, receiving their highest rating each time. Governor Hogan appointed me, and the Constitution requires you, the voters, to elect me to a full term on the court. In contrast to the application process I went through, which required me to give up my law practice upon being appointed, my opponents simply paid the $50 filing fee and are permitted on the ballot. As one might expect, frequently attorneys who choose to file for election as a judge do so because they were previously unsuccessful when applying. For example, one of my opponents has refused to submit himself to the scrutiny of the application process at all, a fact that should concern any voter. The other applied and was interviewed by Governor Hogan, but when he did not select her, she resorted to attacking the entire application process as being political. However, by filing her challenge, she has actually politicized the office of judge by forcing a true political campaign. Regrettably, this forces judges to act like politicians, putting up signs and engaging in all manner of traditional campaigning. My background demonstrates my qualifications as a judge. I'm no politician, but to ensure the continued quality of justice in Carroll County, I'm asking for your vote and request that you ask your friends to do the same. The ballot does not list me as the incumbent or sitting judge, and my name appears last alphabetically. Therefore, on primary day, remember that they save the best for last when it comes to judge of the circuit court. Thank you for your time and consideration.